Okay, let's talk about erase tool. Going to all photo, this photo, and edit. For example, you want to erase somebody from this scene, you can simply brush them and erase them. You can go in here in the erase tool. As you can see, your brush your mouse come to brush. It means please brush somewhere to erase it for you. This is not select, this is not deselect. You can click and drag to erase brush. For example, I want to erase this person from here. Simply click and drag to brush it. Brush it a little bit further, more the edge of the person to better quality. Erase. Nice. Also erase the effect of the water, and then simply click on erase a little bit, and as you can see, it's completely erased. You can see better if you turn it on or off. This tool doing its job very well. Or you, for example, want to erase this, erase it. Nice. It's very simple. Okay, you can restore it or come back, everything back again. Or if you want to, for example, select this one, or for example, you come like this and you want to deselect and erase the selection part with deselect. Deselect that part and erase it again. Or for example, you brush it and you can clear it here. You can clear any brush from there. Nice. Remove power lines. This tool is very interesting. For example, in this photo, go into the edit, erase, and remove power line. It remove all of this power line. Click, just one click. It recognizes all of the power line and delete all of them for you. You have to wait into software thinking and calculating and deleting all of the power line very clear. Nice. You can compare. Interesting. It did all of that power line. Very easy. Remove dust spot. You can turn back. Dust spot like this. These effects are when you take a photo, it's happen. And you can go erase and remove dust spot. Let's try. And as you can see, it clearly remove that dot spot for you. This software is very interesting and powerful in erase tool. Okay, that's it. Hello my friends. To continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.